took my baby from me, bro. Like, I would never forget it for that shit, bro. Swear to God, bro. I would never ever, bro. We got 12 left, man. I'm a seeing, bro. I'm a seeing, bro.
We're in Syracuse, New York for a sentencing hearing. 24-year-old Chavez Ocasio has pled guilty to second-degree attempted murder. 6 months earlier, Ocasio and another man, 24-year-old Jesse Outley, fired 5 shots from their car into another vehicle. The driver of the other car and the front seat passenger were unharmed. But in the back seat, the driver's 4- and 8-year-old daughters were both hit, as was the 11-month-old daughter of the front seat passenger. The 3 children were rushed to a hospital. The 2 older girls survived the shooting. The 11-month-old died from her injuries later that night. Using security footage, police identified Ocasio's car, and he was arrested. Ocasio then ID'd Outley as the shooter, and he was eventually arrested as well. Investigators believe Outley fired at the victims after the 2 men mistook their car for one that had sideswiped them earlier that night. Ocasio was held without bond and ultimately accepted a plea deal from the prosecution. In exchange for testimony against Outley, Ocasio would plead guilty to second-degree attempted murder. Today, Ocasio appears before Judge Gordon Cuffey to enter his plea and hear his sentence.
People want to be heard.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we would ask that Ms. Desiree Seymour be heard.
That's Desiree Seymour, the mother of Dior Harris, the infant girl who died in the shooting.
Yeah, I got something to say too, though.
That's Dior's father, Shaquille Harris.
Talk to him real quick. You took my baby from me. You sucker, bro. You took my daughter from me, bro. You took my baby from me, man. You copping out the 15 years, bro. You getting 15 years for taking my daughter from me, bro. You getting 15 years, bro. Let me just say something to him real quick. Bro, you took my baby from me, bro. You took my baby from me, bro. Like, I would never forget it for that shit, bro. Swear to God, bro. I would never ever, bro. We got 12 left, man. I'm a seeing, bro. I'm a seeing, bro.
Deputies begin removing Harris from the courtroom.
Ms. Seymour, go ahead.
After things settle down, the victim's mother makes her statement.
I don't expect you to understand how I feel, nor do I expect any sympathy from you. But what I do expect for you to ride in hell. I want you to understand from the bottom of my heart, I hate you. You deserve any and everything you get in prison.
When she's finished, Ocasio addresses the court.
I'd just like to say, I understand why the family feels like why they feel. Y'all right. Y'all didn't deserve this. I understand that y'all hate me. I do apologize.
When he's finished, Judge Cuffey sentences Ocasio to 15 years in prison. He'll be eligible for parole in 2034, when he'll be 36 years old. As for the shooter, Jesse Outley, he was convicted of murder, attempted murder, and criminal possession of a weapon. He was sentenced to 40 years to life in prison. Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.